Hi, so in this video I want to show you how to mount or using your iPad mini 5 with this DJI Mavic Air remote control, and this is not support for iPad mini 5, and for my old iPhone is Xiaomi Mi Max 1 with a very larger screen. It will not fit. It's a little bit larger, but it will not fit perfectly. And I think I have another screen size that is my iPad mini 5. This is my iPad mini 5. Right, so I want to use this iPad mini in my remote control so I can see a very larger view when I control the aircraft. So you see it will not fit like this. The mount is not fit until to this top. It's impossible, but you can use it like this, but it will fall off easily when you not pay attention with your remote control. So you only pay attention with the aircraft, so it will fall off easily, right? So that's very disaster. So we will not that happen, right? So I find a solution, but this is not my solution. This solution is I find in another YouTuber showing a simple iPad stand. He make a cut some part of the stand, so it will make easy to place this iPad mini 5 into this mount and fit securely, and you don't have to worry it will fall off easily. So but he's only showing the when that stand is ready to use, and but he not showing how to cut part of the stand. So the stand he used is using this one. This is a simple iPad stand. Here there's a fit in here, but you can see the in here this is the real iPad stand. You can buy this one, and I put in the description. It's the price is about $2 or $3, very cheap. You can buy two for the spare if you are wrong cut because you wrong cut this part. So in the next part is I will show you what I use to cut these things. So I already cut that part, so it is not very clean, but you have to pay attention not to break this part. So you will see in the next video. So this is the tools I use to cut some part of the stand, and I use the utility knife here, very simple, and I use the pipe saw. This is a hand saw, small saw, and this is the optional. This is the air duster to clean up the debris from the stand. So you can use also a rocket blower from your camera. You can part of this something like a divider. This two divider, and the end result will be like this. Make sure it's clean up and well. And also the last one is you need to cut this part. This is the feet from the stand, and this is the end result you can see. So this is the end result looks like. You can see here, you can see clearly which part you need to cut, right? So make sure there's no sharp object from the edges, so make sure you clean the edges so it will not scratch your remote. And also you see this from the feet part, you need to clean up those. Mine is not very clean, but we can get the idea and we can use this to the remote control. To start to make this holder is in the remote control is take out this holder, right? Take out like this, and also take out the cable. Make sure you don't forget to take out the cable. It's very hard if the holder is already in the position. Okay, that's it, like this. And then put the remote control like this, and grab your holder, this modification stand holder, and your iPad mini, and put like this. See, put like this, so this fingerprint on the right side, as you can see, because this lightning port on the right side. Don't forget to pay attention to that, like this one. Okay, and then take your remote like this, and it's a little bit not easy for the first time here, but it's very simple. And then there's a hook in here, right? You see there's two hook here, so you need to put this hook into this side. As you can see here, put this side first, so like this, right? And then wait, like this, and you can doing like this until it fit like this. See, it's already placed in the position. See, it's not wiggle, right? So you can connect this lightning port into this lightning cable is into this port, but it's not cannot put this into the port because this is not on the center. Make sure this we can move the position to make like this, so this is not aligned and here, so it's not center. Can push very gently to the left side like this, so it looks like display on the center, and then you can grab the cable and put on into the lightning port like this. That's it, done. Right, so you can try to connect your remote control to the iPad, right? So I try to connect to my remote control here, DJI Fly. So this looks like when you connected to remote control and connect to the aircraft. So you don't need also buying another cable, so you can keep this cable from the factory, so you don't need to another cable, right? So maybe it's very hard to find like this cable with a little bit longer, so it will fit and very secure like this, so you don't have to buy another cable. So it's not wiggle, but I mean, you don't need to play your remote control like this because you don't play any video games. So but it's very secure, will wiggle like this, it's not will fall off, right? It's a very best mount. Do it yourself, so you don't need to buy another you don't need buy very expensive mount, so you can buy this iPad holder. You can make a modification like I said before. I already tell you how to do that in your for this stand. It's very easy. Another benefit using iPad mini 5 beside the screen is large, and also another benefit is the battery is also large. It's about 5,000, right? 5,000. So make sure also the battery is not charged using this power, because it will drain fast your remote control battery. So make sure you turn off point charge. You can go to this settings, go to control, you see there's a point charging here, so make sure you turn off this point charging, so because it's already big battery, it will not your battery drain very fast, because the big battery and you don't need another charge from this small battery. So that's a very good, it's very awesome feature. DJI apps in iOS or iPad OS having this feature, point charging. Make sure you turn off. That's it about it. That's about that, and let me know what you think about this setup, and if you have any question, you let me know in the comment section. Thank you.